Happy Tuesday or Wednesday, class. So the video today is basically just going to be about how to do the 3 dimensions for the block. And so my block is going to be this here battery pack. And so I'm going to use this as my front, and then I'm going to use this as my top, and then I'm going to use this as my side that would go over here. And so let's just start with the top view, the front view. And so I got to measure it in inches. So my first step is get my ruler on there and get it lined up so that I got that end mark right on the end. You notice there's a little bit sticking out past because the marks don't start right at the end, they start in a little bit. And so this ends up being just short of 4 inches. I don't know if you can see that. It's just about 4, not quite. We want to round to the 1/4 inch. Well, here's 3 3/4, and here's 4. It's closer to 4, so I'm going to round this one up to 4. That means I need 16 blocks to graph this out, because I'm going to do, for my scale, every 4 blocks is 1 inch. So now I am ready. I'm going to have to start at the very end, because I think I'm going to run out of room. And so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And so I'm actually going to add a block on the end over here, about how big it would be for my 16 blocks. Now I got to do my other side. And so when I do the other side, it's going to be... I can find it with my camera. There we go. So again, I line it up on that end mark. So it looks like it's just short of 2 1/2. So not 2 1/4. Should be that line. I'd say it's closer to 2 1/2, which is that line. So that means 2 times 4 is 8. And then 2 1/2 would be 2 more lines. So 9, 10. And actually, I take that back. If this is 2 1/2 and that is 2 1/4, it actually looks to me like it's closer to 2 1/4. So I'm actually going to go with 8, 9 boxes up. So I'm going to go up 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then back across. Actually, I'll go back up right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I should have used a ruler, but it's really tough to tape and do this at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Actually, I went too far. And I go back across. And there is my front view. Now I'll add in my dimensions. This one's pretty easy. There's only one dimension I'd put right now, and that would be across here. And so from here to here, we measured that out to be 4 1/2 inches, or 16 blocks. Well, that'd be exactly 4 inches. Alright, now I'm ready to do my top view. So I did my front view. Now I'm ready to do my top view, which is going to be the same length, just a different height. And so for me to do my top view, I got to measure how high is it, or how long is it from here to here. I already know it's 4 inches long. And so align it. Oops. Try that again. Doesn't want to balance for me. So it looks like it's tough to see, but I'd say it's right at about 1/2 inch. Actually, no, I'd say it's more like 3/4. So it's closest to 3/4, so that's going to be 3 lines. So I'm going to go across. Actually, I'll go up 3 first and then across 16. And then up 3, and then back across 16. And there is my top view. And then I'm going to label this right here my 3/4 inch. And then I'm ready to do my last view, which is my side view. And so this is going to be my side view right here. And so I just need to measure again how far this is from here to here, which again is about 3/4 of an inch. And then I need to know how far it is from here to here, which should be my about 2.5, whatever I had before. Let's see, how many did I? 2.25. So I'm going to go over 3. So over 1, 2, 3, and then up my 9 or 2.25 inches. And then do the same over here and back over. And again, notice how I'm lining my lines up. Everything should line up. This end is lined up with that end. This end is lined up with that end. So everything lines up. I got to add in my last set of dimensions here. From here to here. And that one was 2.25 inches. And that is what I'm looking for using these blocks and changing them into sketches. That is how you do your orthographic sketches. Good luck on your assessment.